Bahamas. Matthew has maximum sustained winds of 115 miles per hour and is currently a Category 3. Matthew is currently Category 3. It is a very slow moving storm. We should not focus on the projected path. We should think about if it does hit landfall, what we will do. The eye of the storm continues to move closer to our state. There's now some forecasts that put a direct hit on our state. Regardless if there's a direct hit or not, the impact is devastating. Emphasize it enough that everyone in our state must prepare now for a direct hit. Be prepared for a direct hit. Don't trust that the storm path is correct. Just remember, with the storm going up our coast, a small deviation from this track could mean a catastrophic change along Florida's east coast. Perhaps we're prepared for a direct hit. Impacts on our state within the next through the weekend. This is a very slow. That means people have less than 24 hours left to prepare, evacuate, and shelter. Having a plan in place could mean the difference between life and death when it comes to a storm of this magnitude. Right now, we expect to see impacts all along Florida's east coast, ranging from the Upper Keys to Nassau County. We are still focused on the I-95 corridor of the state. Impacts of Hurricane Matthew could include heavy rain. Forecasts project 4 to 7 inches from the Upper Keys northward to the coastal east central Florida. It could be up to 10 inches in some of these areas. And let's think about prior storms. We've seen bands that dumped more than that. Storm surge. Heights are expected to be above ground. Forecasts project 3 to 5 feet from North Palm Beach to the Volusia County line. Rip currents. Beach erosion. Winds. Even if the storm remains offshore into our state. As of now, wind strength is our biggest if the storm erupts. The probability of high wind speed that the forecast develops. But again, this could quickly change and become much worse. These are all projections. Hit by a devastating. They're simply projections. Hurricane warnings are in effect from north of Golden Beach in Miami-Dade County to Sebastian Inlet in Brevard County and Lake Okeechobee. There's currently a hurricane watch in effect for Sebastian Inlet to Fernandina Beach in Nassau County. There's a tropical storm warning in effect for Caloosahatchee, Chokoloskee, and Collier County to Golden Beach. Florida Keys from 7 Mile Bridge eastward and Florida Bay. This is a dangerous storm and is never too early to evacuate. It is never too early to evacuate. If you live in a low-lying area, on a barrier island, or an area prone to flooding, you need to consider making your plans now to leave. Don't wait for the order to do it. If you know that you're